Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can remove unwanted object from our video in CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to remove this phone from this video. So first of all, we need to duplicate this clip. We can click on the clip and we have to scroll all the way to the right until we find the duplicate option. Click on this duplicate option and we have to overlay it as well. Just click on this overlay, and we're going to make the second clip align with the first clip. Okay, we can drag it like this, and you can click on the second clip and we're going to put mask to the second clip. You can scroll all the way to the right again until we find the mask option. Click on the mask option and select the type of the mask you would like to use, and I'm gonna go with the circle mask, and we're going to resize this mask. We're going to adjust the position as well, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay, and we're going to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part which will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Okay, just place the mask right here, and we can click on this check mark, and we're going to use the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, and you can make it as natural as it can be, and I think it's done. Then we can see the result. Okay, this is the final result, guys. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object from our video in a CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.